Hello friends, very good evening. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel, you talent traders. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my advanced option strategy. That is a positional option trading strategy which we are conducting the course either in recorded mode or a one-to-one session. So based on that strategy, we are going to we have do some 5 different strategies. In this 5 different strategies, 4 strategies were edging one, and one should be naked. So by using our Google Sheet, we are planning for our naked trades here, and same time, so we can use for a directional and non-directional positional strategy. Also, we can apply based on the price and also by the calculation. It is not about the charts and indicator which we are not using for our strategy. So based on our advanced option strategy, what we are going to do, so we can do a directional strategy and non-directional strategies both we have. So in a non-directional strategy, we have a 5 strategies which we are going to use. So future option SBB strategies and a naked call or naked call or put or a OTM option strategy. And even we can go for a 2.1 or 3.2 kind of strategies. So those are all the name of the strategy what we are going to do on our directional basis, and non-directional trade that we are going to plan for the movement of the stocks, not for the direction, either upside or downside. We are not planning for that, but we are expecting the movement, so that we can use the same FO strategies and SBB. And in this case, another one 1.1 strategy which we can apply, and also OTM strategy that we can use for a non-directional basis. Okay, so among almost you can see different strategies, more than 9 to 10 strategy which you are going to learn. So but we are combined on this strategies, and each and every strategy parts, maybe 3 parts, 2 parts, like that. So from that, one of the strategies about a naked call or naked put buy. So this is what a monthly basis which we are going to do. So that if we are doing a monthly basis, what are the benefits? So we are not going to uh, panic at all, and no need to read the charts indicators. It's about a purely price base. So you can look at this chart almost 15 days or 14 days over from this month. How many stocks which we got a entry from this particular strategy? Like we got almost 17 stock, which has increased more than 50 percentage from this 1st of September. But already we have seen almost 22 to 23 stock, which triggers our target for this month of September within a 1st of the month. So in this case, we are going to simply ignore some stocks because of liquidity. So in this case, we know HDFC AMC is not liquid on a monthly position. So it was from the beginning, this is the same LTP because it is not trading well. Okay, and STREAM also we are looking, that is not a quite liquid. But what are the trade which we are finding on real time? These are all the 3. In HCL Tech, we have tried Canara Bank and PNB, so 2 days back, and now it is achieving our target. And Granules maybe today, and LNT, that is on monthly positional. Weekly is failed, and weekly positional last week LNT 2900 got stop loss. Here monthly positional difference and weekly positional is different. Weekly positional we have a 4 different strategies, that is a 4 different weeks in a month, but monthly strategy only one strategy. So in monthly 2700 on LNT, that was a target, but weekly 2900 yesterday, that was last week, this week it was stop. So no problem at all. We are talking about a monthly strategy, and Balram Shini, Glenmark, UPL, LIC, Bharati Airtel, TCS, Bank of Baroda. So almost 19 stock, which is nearing to 150%. That means from our entry point, those stocks which increased to more than 50%. And in put side, we don't have any stocks, and Alchem is about no liquidity, and it was not traded well. Well, we are looking at this beginning of the month. So HDFC AMC and Alchem Laboratories are not traded well, and we are ignoring. Even if you are avoiding some stock which is not trading well. Okay, so even we got almost 20 stocks. We are not planning to take all the 20 stock which triggered on our entry point. So in monthly trading strategy or monthly trading options, so we need 3 to 4 or at least 5 options is good enough. That five trades is good enough for the month. Even one or two is best for in monthly position. So based on our strategy, these are all the options which we got this much of a target from this month. And if you want to try our other directional and non-directional strategies also, you can as a student, I given you some workout. You can take how this will work in our remaining strategies. You can find how the accuracy about the system, and you can look at the stocks and the listed and only take quality and liquid stock, simply ignoring the no liquid, that means a low volume or low liquid stocks you can avoid. And one more thing, so if you want to join that paid class about the same, the recording courses which is available on the website, the link which already available in the description, and you can go to the courses. What we are discussing about the courses is about our advanced option strategy. Here you can learn that particular 5 hedging strategies, totally 5 strategies. Here 4 got hedging strategies, one should be a naked strategy. This naked strategy only you are looking on Google Sheet, that is a scanner for stock option. So we can utilize our naked strategy along with the Google Sheet. And if you want to Google Sheet alone, so you can go here, how to use the Google Sheet is the board, how to use the Google Sheet. Once you will learn that, so you know well how to use our Google Sheet without our advanced option strategies. That maybe you can use your own strategies to apply on our trading system. That means on your trading system. Okay. So this is what our idea and logic which we are using on our Google Sheet as of now. So this is month September. So we have a lot of opportunity on a monthly basis that was working well. And if you have any other questions or a doubt also, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video. And is there any other opportunities? If you find based on this, you need to focus only quality and liquidity about the stock. So remaining conditions are same. So these are all the options. And some of the stocks more than 25% or 20%, almost 38 stocks totally. So these are all given you the opportunity from our entry, but targeted rate more than 20 is good enough in a month. I hope you understood the concept what we are discussing here. And in this courses, you can get a recording, and one-to-one courses also available. So if you want a one-to-one courses, you just ping me on the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and this is what our Google Sheet update. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.